Get it. So Abdul, you want to break it down? Can you let the audience know what Goracle is? This is it right now. Let's do it.
Yeah, thanks, man. We've been working on Goracle for so long. It's a decentralized blockchain Oracle, and really we're trying to disrupt the Oracle sector. It's funny. I'm in Helsinki. The founder of Aave is from here, so I bumped into him a few months ago, and I asked him like, what is your opinion about Chainlink and just oracles in general? And he was like, not much has changed in the last 3 years. DeFi has moved so much forward. Other protocols, layer ones, have moved way more forward than they used to be. But you see, like your oracles still seem like they're stuck in the past. And so, what Goracle was designed for originally was to get large amounts of sports data on chain. So for us, it's like, how do you get a lot of data on chain quickly? When we realized if you figure it out for sports, you can generalize it, because sports is one of the harder categories to do that. And once you do it for sports, you can generalize it to other spaces. And so that's really what we've been working on since late 2021.
But that's awesome, honestly. It's super exciting to be on mainnet, honestly. I know the last time we spoke on my show and the last time we spoke in Dubai, it was still, heads down, trying to get this product out there. And now that it's out there, I'm curious, who's building on it currently? Like, what kind of applications are building on it? What kind of applications are going to be building on it? What are we going to see coming out of this service that Goracle is providing now?
Well, we do have an interesting variety of individuals who are kind of building on it. We have some institutional type builders, and this is kind of one of the things that really motivated us to keep building on Algorand. Was the number of banks, municipalities who were reaching out to us saying, "Hey, I need to use an Oracle." And I think what a lot of people don't see about Algorand is just how many people are building and don't care to advertise or talk about what they're building. They're really just building it because Algorand makes sense for their actual business use case. They are slowly developing these kind of proof of concepts for several months. After that, they should, they basically have like another year test period. So it takes 2 years for them to get to production, but some big names are really building. And we can't really talk about that because they don't want to talk about it either. And we have some interesting, smaller DeFi apps as well. Sports applications, one of the bigger, cooler applications built on us is this platform for Polygon, who's building sports apps. And they are exporting our data from Algorand. It's written to Algorand, transactions are created on Algorand, and then they're using that on Polygon through like Wormhole. So you have to wonder, why are they coming all the way to Algorand for their Oracle if you've got Ethereum, Teller, API3, Chainlink, not Ethereum, but those guys on that chain. And I think that kind of says a lot to the competitiveness that we're trying to bring to the space.
Okay, so for my understanding, so like a DraftKings, not saying it's them, but this is what the Oracle data is for, so that people can do like betting and essentially, is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, exactly. And in fact, I don't know if you guys caught our most recent hackathon, but that's exactly what some people built. The first prize winner built this wind damage insurance, where if you buy a policy and if the wind speed is over like 70 or 80 kilometers per hour, you automatically get paid out. Second place built a sports betting app. Third place built a game actually that uses Algorand's Unity SDK and Oracle's custom API endpoints, because you can actually call any API. So they were using Open API to procedurally generate game graphics, and you can actually play their game. It's really cool. So we didn't televise the hackathon live because it was our first and we were learning it. Like John Woods, Bruno, some of our partners on Brave New Coin, Borderless, they were the judges of this. And it was really fun to see what people built in such a short amount of time. And all these developers were brand new to Algorand, by the way.
Did they use AlgoKit?
Yeah, most of them use AlgoKit, which really helps. Because with Goracle, you have a whole node network, right? So to be able to test against Goracle, you need some sort of local node. And AlgoKit allowed us to have a local node where they can run tests and just get fake data, dummy data back. And then when they deployed the testnet, it was already working. So algo kit is, for us, it's huge.
You just watched a clip from episode 63 of The Next Block with Abdul Osman, the CEO and founder of Goracle. Let us know down in the comments below what you thought of the episode. If you enjoyed the episode and you want to catch the entire thing, check out the video description down below for a link to the entire interview. To support the podcast further, also check out the video description down below for our Algorand donation wallet. This wallet can accept Algo and other Algorand standard assets. And last but not least, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know down below who you want to see next on the podcast. That's all for today, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks.